creating the templates inside Snappify can take some time, but there is a solution. These are some of the pre-made templates that you can start using. These are some professionally created templates. So for example, here I'm just selecting any of these templates, and here you can see the demo of it. Using the predefined templates can help you to save a lot of time. You can just click on the try it out, and by using now you will be able to utilize it. You can customize it according to your brand or whatsoever. So here you can put your website, for example, let's say www.example.com. I'm just putting it as example.com. You can customize it however you want. You can change the color scheme, you can style, you can choose the title of your desired title, and these are all the customizable templates. So you can also duplicate it from here. You just have to click on duplicate, and these slides are getting duplicated. You can delete any of these, and there are so many options inside Snappify. If you did not try the Snappify so far, you can try it today, because it is going to change the game of your content creation in technical industry. There are so many options inside Snappify that can help you to customize it. For example, here I can just choose any of the colors. I can choose the gradient colors as well, and you can put any of the box shadows. For example, here you can change the box shadow. You can select the animation, and you can select how the animation should present. For example, fade in, slide in, scale in, and there are so many other options. Like for example, you can add the form elements from here, polygon, ellipsis, arrow. Instead of creating your own templates, you always have the option to select the pre-existing template. That can save your time in a long run. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel, give this video a thumbs up. I will see you in the next one.